Hey guys, welcome back to my channel or welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. In today's video, we are going to review a new product. It's actually not quite new. This hit US market, I guess, in 2018 or end of the year 2017. But we recently got this in India and only one shade is available. That is Maybelline Tattoo Brow Gel Tint. Now this one is available only on Nykaa, and if I'm not wrong, this product was launched in India, I think in the beginning of 2020. This is going to be such an interesting product to try because I haven't tried brow tints before and I really wanted to get my hands on this because doing my brows is the hardest part. You know, my brows are not twins, they are like sisters, like fighting sisters. They're never same. They keep getting different every time. So yeah, I really wanted to get a tint which stays for a long time, so I got my hands on this one and it's going to be really honest. I'm going to tell you everything, so without any further ado, let's get into the video. Now this product is available only on Nykaa and only one color is available, which is medium brown. This is a 5 ml product and it retails for 625 rupees, and this is generally available in 4 different colors in other countries. Now I got this one from Singapore when I was there back in Feb, and I got grey brown because medium brown was really light for my hair color. I've tried different shades in the store before picking this one up. This suits my hair color the best compared to the other 3. Now let's talk about the packaging first. So this is the packaging. This is how it looks. You have everything written over here, like it's just 3 easy steps for long lasting tattoo effect. It says apply it, let it dry and peel it off. And let me read out the few things that this claims to do when we apply it. So it says leave it for 20 minutes at least to get good results, of course. Now this says day after day the tattoo effect remains visible, no more touch up needed. Gradually the tinting effect naturally fades over time. Now this product says it stays for a really good time. This product stays for good 3 days. I mean, it claims that it stays for 3 good days, but I want to put it out there. I have used this. I got it in Feb. I've been using it once in a while and I think I've used it 4 times in total just to check out how well it stays and how long it stays and all that. So here it is. This is the 5 ml bottle. This is how the applicator looks. So I'm gonna apply to my brows and show you how it actually works. You gotta be very careful when you're doing this. So this is how it looks after I apply. I know it's a mess, but when I got this 4 months back, it was really nice. I mean, I used to get that liquidy sort of, but as it is getting old, like 4 months old now, it's very sticky and it doesn't really sit on my brows really well. I'm gonna come back when it's completely dry. So this one is somewhat dry, and let me tell you, this is not how it looks when you got the brand new pack. I've used it for at least like 4 times before, so it's a little clumpy. So let me try and get this thing off. It's gonna get peeled like that. You see? Yeah, it's gonna get peeled like this. Yep, that is how it looks. So this is how it looks after the application. It did a good job. I mean, with that sort of a consistency, I wasn't expecting a good shape, even a good color, but it did a good job. But I'm not quite satisfied with the texture. In just 4 to 5 months, it became super clumpy. So for the bristles and the texture of the product, if I got the product right now, it's a brand new one, then I would definitely give it a 5 out of 5 because it was so good in the beginning. But if you're talking about this product in a long run, I would give it a 2 because it is not for a long time use, just for like 2 to 3 months and you're gonna throw this product out. And talking about the color, the tint it gave is so good. I would give it a 5 out of 5 as a new product, and also like when I'm using it after 5 months, it still gives the exact same tint. Now let's talk about the main claim that they have on their website, which is 3 days, or at least staying for a day, or altogether long lasting is the term they've used. So let me tell you a few things about that. Now, this doesn't really stay for a good time. This is well set and on place until water hits it. Like as you wash your face, no soap, just water, this keeps fading off. I'm not kidding. I've tried this first time. I thought maybe I didn't keep the tint for a long time. The next time I tried it, I kept it for a good long period. I think for almost like 30-40 minutes. And after that, I peeled it off. And later, after 4 to 5 hours, I washed my face just with plain water, and this kept fading. And now don't get me wrong, this doesn't go completely. It keeps fading, so you need to do the touch up. It's not like you're gonna have the tint for like good 3 days or long lasting. It keeps fading in just a day, or maybe when you're washing your face, just leave your brows. So if I have to rate the stay, then I would definitely give it a 3 out of 5 because it does a good job in staying without water touching it. Now, rating this product as a whole, I would rate this around 3.5 out of 5. Things I like about this product is it really gives a good tint. The brush is really nice to work with, and things I don't like about this is it gets really clumpy as the time passes. And when I say time passes, it's just around period of 2 to 3 months, and after that you'll see the sticky and clumpiness. And another thing I don't really like about this product is it gets faded off really quickly. And last but not the least, if you ask me if I'm gonna buy this product again, I would say no. I would go for something that's a tint and it stays for a good long time, because I've heard a really good tint are there in the market which stays up to 2 weeks. I would rather get my hands on that product than spending 625 rupees on this. So that is it, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, then you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe, and I hope you guys like this sort of a reviews. If you want me to review any new product, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new here, do check out all the videos linked below, and also subscribe to my channel right there to get more such content. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, lots of love. Bye.